What's up everyone, Nate here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna go do some more mods on my Ford Bronco. If you missed my last video, we picked up the Bronco from Luxe Automotive and Salty Gears up in Salt Lake. Luxe did an incredible job on the full Xpel Stealth wrap. I can't get over how much I love this color, and I absolutely love my new gloss bronze black Rhino wheels. So those were the first changes we made to the Bronco. Today we are headed up to Salt Lake. We're gonna make some more changes. So we're gonna load up, head to Salt Lake now, and we'll see you when we're up there. We're currently in the car driving up to Salt Lake, and if you've ever wondered what it's like to ride on the freeway at 80 miles an hour with a hard top, I don't know how much noise this is capturing on the microphone, but it feels kind of loud. And now I've got a call coming through. This car is definitely louder than the Raptor or any of my other cars because of the removable hardtop, and that's expected. Right now I don't have any music playing, and so it's a lot more noticeable. But if you have music going, it's honestly not a big deal. And if you're worried about sound noise on the freeway, I don't think it's something that should be a deterrent from getting a Bronco. Because I think it's really cool that I can now remove the roof and the doors during the summertime. So again, on the freeway, cruising at 80 miles an hour, and yeah, it's kind of noisy, but doesn't really seem to bother me. We just made it here to Heretic up in Salt Lake City, and we've got the Bronco ready to get some mods. We're gonna do some new lighting across the top and along the front of the Bronco. Brad here is gonna give us a quick tour.
Yeah, you bet. So this is, we got 3 machines here. All of our parts start as a billet block at 6061, which is aircraft quality aluminum, so it's super high quality stuff. Cut up to a 50-inch light bar on this guy. Today we're cutting our BA4. It's a little 4-inch light, so it starts as this block. Feel free to get in there and
yeah, this is cool. So you make all the products here in Salt Lake.
It's really a truly made in America product.
And that is something that we love to support. I love supporting local companies, and I love companies where the products are made here in the US of A. So thank you for having me out here.
Of course, yeah, we're happy to have you. So we'll go in, most of our lights are a 2-operation cut. So we're cutting this, we'll op 1 on this machine right now. We do 4 at a time. Then we'll come in, finish off the backside, take it to, we got a local guy that does all of our anodizing. It's veteran owned and operated just over in North Salt Lake. When my brother bought Heretic, there really wasn't that much of a light bar presence. We were more UTV centric on replacement headlights. Dave immediately bought these 3 machines, brought all of our production in-house, designed our pod lights and light bars. And the thought behind it wasn't like, how do people do it currently? It was, how should you do it? And no one cuts build anymore because it's time intensive, it's expensive, and so it's a really unique product. All anodizing fades a little bit. You'll notice that ours hardly fades at all.
And that's the black casing, right?
Correct, yep. So basically they soak the metal in acid, it kind of opens up the pores, then they soak it in dye, and then they soak it in a sealant. Pretty much like tattooing metal, so.
Okay. Am I cool to look at one of these?
Yeah.
So this is pretty cool. So they start the process back here, makes it through the lathe and the CNC, right?
Yeah.
And they assemble all the pieces here, then they anodize it to give it that nice black finish. And then I assume they assemble the lighting afterwards.
Yep, so one of the cool things about our lights is that every single part of the light was designed by us. So we didn't take existing off-the-shelf stuff, even down to we've got a proprietary technology on our circuit boards. Even the circuit boards are our own design. So wasn't an off-the-shelf product. So we get it back from our anodizer, and we have to put in these 2 little power posts to bring power into the bar. Even that part was designed by us. So it's a truly, unique, designed by us, made by us. People here like made in America, and they think assembled in America, but no, we are made in America. Everything has a lifetime warranty. In fact, this bar right here, guy in Canada, for whatever reason, one of the circuit boards went out, which is pretty rare, but we said, okay, here's a prepaid label, send it back, we'll fix it and get it back up to you. So
you guys are taking care of all your customers.
Lifetime warranty, no questions asked.
This is really cool. So everything is designed here, it's made here. They don't even source parts from other countries. Everything is literally made here in their warehouse, assembled here, tested here. They offer a lifetime warranty on all of their products, and they take good care of their customers. So I'm excited to run their new lighting kit for the Ford Bronco, and we're gonna go get that installed right now and show you what it looks like afterwards. We're installing a light bar across the roof. we're doing a fog kit down in the bumper, and then we're gonna do a set of pillar lights. And I apologize for the background noise, but they gotta keep working while we do the install. The pillar lights are gonna go up here next to the mirror. The light bar is gonna go here, and one thing that I love is that the Bronco is accessory ready, so you just pop these caps off, and they've got a bracket that goes directly here onto the roof, so you get a perfect fit. It sits really close and flush to your roof, and so you get minimal wind noise when you're on the highway. And then the last set we're installing here in the fog pocket. So we're gonna have 3 lights here, and it's gonna look killer on the Bronco. Alright, the guys here at Heretic just finished up the install on the Ford Bronco. We're going to go ahead and open the garage and reveal the new lighting. Wow, that is bright. So we've got the fog lights down here, which have an amber, which is a combo of a spot and a flood, and then we have the 2 lights here, which are both flood lights. Is that correct? Then we have the pillar lights here. Is this a combo as well? So that is also a spot and a flood, and then we have the massive 40-inch light bar up top, which lights up the world. Before, the Bronco kind of looked naked without any lighting on it, and I wanted to have a Bronco kit that was all matching, and so they make a kit for the Bronco that has the fogs, the pillars, the light bar, everything you need for your Bronco to outfit it looking properly, but also having a high quality product that works very well for when you're on the trails. So I'm super pumped to have this lighting on the Bronco, and can't wait to get it outside when it's really dark and test how it looks. Thank you again to the team here at Heretic. Thank you very much.
Hey, we're stoked, man.
I'm excited to run these lights on my Bronco. Thank you guys for the install.
Thank you. Of course.
Hit up Heretic for your Bronco or UTV or truck needs. They do all kinds of lighting.
That's it. Anything off-road, we got you taken care of. So
now we got to get this out in the dark, test the lights, and see how they do. Okay, I know I already ended the video after Heretic installed all my lights, but now that it's dark and I've driven home, I wanted to show you real quick the lights at nighttime. So, like in the Raptor, we've got the aux switches here, which are really easy to wire any lighting and accessories under the hood of the Bronco, and you can control all of them here with the light switches. So first we're going to show you on switch number 2 is the amber combo, which is a spot and a flood combo, and you can see it lights up really nice. Next up on switch number 3 is the other fog lights. There's 2 on each side, and they are both spots, so it really gives a wide range of lighting up ahead and also to the sides. Then on switch number 4 is our pillar lights here, and those are angled out to the sides. As you can see, these are my headlights here. These are the pillar lights. They really give some good visibility to the side of the trail, or if you're driving in a canyon, you can see some wildlife or things that might be on the side of the road. And then my favorite part and the brightest part, the light bar, which it's hard to capture on video, but it is so bright. So we've got the light bar, the amber fogs, the other fog lights, and the pillars, and all together It is so bright, and I'm really happy with how these turned out, and I can't wait to use them off-road when we do some off-roading, because with all of this light, it almost looks like it's daytime. So these are going to be sweet to use, and I'm excited.